Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is changing the game of chess? This ancient game of strategy and intellect is experiencing a revolution, thanks to the advent of AI chess engines like Stockfish, AlphaZero, and Leela Chess Zero. These digital masterminds have not only bested world champions, but they've also reshaped our understanding of chess, introducing new strategies and opening up a world of untapped potential. Now you might be wondering, what makes these AI chess engines so powerful? Meet Stockfish, an open-source AI chess engine known for its brute force. Stockfish is the epitome of open-source power, harnessing the collective brainpower of enthusiasts worldwide. Its edge lies in its brute force approach, rapidly evaluating millions of positions per second to make the optimal move. Alongside this, Stockfish's vast opening book, a compendium of tried-and-true opening strategies, gives it a strong starting game. But what happens when we introduce an AI that doesn't rely on brute force? Enter AlphaZero, an AI that taught itself chess from scratch and still managed to conquer the game. AlphaZero introduced a revolutionary approach to learning. Rather than relying on pre-programmed moves, it played against itself, learning from each move, each win, each loss. This self-learning approach mirrors the way humans learn, making mistakes and adjusting strategies accordingly. In a historic match, AlphaZero went head-to-head with Stockfish, a titan of brute force and computational power. The result? AlphaZero emerged victorious, proving that a self-taught intuition could indeed outmaneuver brute force. It showed that there's more to chess than calculations. There's intuition, adaptability, and the ability to learn from mistakes. But what if we combine the best of both worlds? Finally, we have Leela Chess Zero, a hybrid AI that combines Stockfish's brute force with AlphaZero's self-learning. This unique chess engine harnesses the power of a neural network, akin to AlphaZero, to evaluate positions. It discerns the board's intricacies and nuances in a way that mimics human intuition. However, it doesn't stop there. Leela Chess Zero also implements a Monte Carlo tree search, a feature reminiscent of Stockfish's approach for move selection. This method uses probability and randomness to explore potential outcomes, allowing for a deep and broad analysis of possible moves. This hybrid approach empowers Leela Chess Zero to compete head-on with both Stockfish and AlphaZero. So, are these AI chess engines unbeatable? Perhaps. But they definitely make the game of chess more intriguing than ever. Thank you for watching Project Venv channel. Please subscribe, comment, like, share and turn on the notification button.